Welcome to English second paper class for the students of class 9 and 10. And this is MD Abdul Mannan going to take you the class for you, dear students. KPB School and College, Dhaka. করোনাকালীন সময়ের মধ্যে প্রতিষ্ঠান কর্তৃক আয়োজিত অনলাইন ক্লাসে সকলকে স্বাগত। আজকে English second paper class for the students of class 9 and 10. I am going to teach you the rules for right use of verb practice. Just আমি নিয়মগুলো বলতে থাকবো, বারবার একটু খেয়াল করলে হয়ে যাবে। Rule 1: if the subject is third person singular number in the present indefinite tense, s or yes will be added with the main verb. So first of all you should find out the person, and if it is in the present indefinite tense, then s or yes will be added with the main verb. Just we should follow an example. The boy plays football. The answer will be the boy plays football, because the subject, the boy, is third person singular number, and for that reason s has been added with the main verb play. Rule 2: if there is universal truth, habitual fact, or near future that indicate present indefinite tense. Universal truth, habitual fact অথবা near future থাকলে সেটা present indefinite tense হবে। আর present indefinite tense এর রুল 1 এ আমরা দেখিয়েছি সাবজেক্ট থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার হলে ভার্বের সাথে s by s বলবে। So follow the example: the sun rises in the east. The sun third person singular number, that's why rises. The sun rises in the east. Rule 3: some words in the sentence like always, regularly, sometimes, often, generally, daily, every day, occasionally, usually, normally, etc. indicate present indefinite tense. And if the sentence is in the present indefinite tense and the subject is third person singular number, s or yes will be added with the main verb. Here he always disturbed the class. The verb disturb, we have added s, so he always disturbs the class. Rule 4: for sentences without auxiliary verb, do, does and did are used according to subject and tense to make negative or interrogative sentence. Example: the girl not sing a song, the girl does not sing a song. Do, does, did সাথে not যোগ করা আছে, the girl does not sing a song. Second example: he come home yesterday. Yesterday always indicate past. So as it is interrogative sentence, I have used the auxiliary did. Did he come home yesterday? Rule 5: in the interrogative sentences with WH question word like what, when, where, who, which, whose, why and how, to be verb am, is, are, was, were is used according to the subject, and do, does, did are used in absence of to be verb. খেয়াল রাখতে হবে যদি অক্সিলারি ভার্ব টু বি ভার্ব না থাকে তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে ডু, ডাজ এবং ডিড ব্যবহার করতে হবে। এক্সাম্পল: what you do now. As now always indicate present continuous tense, that's why auxiliary verb will be used as am, is, are, was, were. What are you doing now? Why Shati looks so angry? Why does Shati look so angry? Rule 6: usually, now, at this moment. Two words are here: now, at this moment indicate present continuous tense. So we should know the structure of present continuous tense. He is singing a song now. He is singing a song now. He is singing, present continuous. He is singing a song now. Second example: there was TV at this moment. As at this moment indicates present continuous tense, so they are watching TV at this moment. Rule 7. Past participle is used after the auxiliary verbs have, has, had, shall be, shall have, will have. এগুলোর পরে সবসময় ভার্বের past participle form বসে। He has do the work. He has done the work. We have make him captain. We have made him captain. Rule 8. Follow the words. Just now, already, lately, recently, yet, ever indicate present perfect tense, and you should know the structure of present perfect tense. That means subject plus have অথবা has plus verb past participle form. I see him recently. Recently is a word that indicates present perfect tense. So I have seen him recently. Have you ever been to Dhaka? Have you ever been? Been past participle been. Have you ever been to Dhaka? Rule 9. Past indicating words like yesterday, ago, long, since, last night indicate past indefinite tense. And you should know the structure of past indefinite tense. Subject plus verb past form plus extension. He leave home last night. Last night indicate past indefinite tense. He left home last night. I come home yesterday. I came home yesterday. Rule 10. Just follow the structure. No sooner had থাকলে then থাকবে, scarcely had থাকলে when থাকবে, hardly had থাকলে when থাকবে, rarely had থাকলে when থাকবে। আর এটার জন্য খেয়াল রাখতে হবে ভার্বের past participle form করবে আর সেকেন্ড ক্লজে past form করবে। জাস্ট আমরা এক্সাম্পল খেয়াল করি। No sooner had he see the police, যেহেতু অক্সিলারি ভার্ব had আছে ভার্বের past participle হবে seen। আর এখানে ভার্বের ফর্ম দেওয়া আছে পাস্ট প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম দেওয়া আছে রান, এটা হয়ে যাবে ran. So the answer will be no sooner had he seen the police than he ran away. Rule 11. Present indefinite tense অথবা present perfect tense মাঝখানে যদি সিন্স থাকে পরের অংশটুকু past indefinite tense হবে। Example, it is many years since, just the present indefinite tense কে indicate করে। So the last portion will be past indefinite. I come to Dhaka. I came to Dhaka. The answer will be it is many years since I came to Dhaka. Many years have passed since his father died. Many years have passed since his father died. Many years have passed past present perfect tense, and that's why পরের অংশ past indefinite. His father died. The answer many years have passed since his father died. Rule 12. Past indefinite tense. যদি প্রথম অংশে past indefinite tense থাকে, since থাকে, পরের অংশটুকু past perfect tense হবে। It was many years since, past indefinite tense. That's why পরের অংশটুকু হবে past perfect tense. Since I had come to Dhaka. Second example, it was long since I see her last. It was long since, past indefinite tense, I had seen her last. 13. Just rule 13, past perfect tense before past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense after past perfect. Just structure টা একটু মনে রাখতে হবে। Example, the patient died before the doctor come. যেহেতু before আছে সেজন্য past perfect tense হবে। The patient had died before the doctor came. Second example, the patient died after the doctor come. The patient died after the doctor had come. পরের অংশটুকু past perfect tense। after থাকলে পরের অংশটুকু past perfect tense, before থাকলে প্রথম অংশটাকে past perfect tense, দ্বিতীয় অংশ past indefinite tense. That's all for today. In our next class we will discuss from rule 14 to 21. I wish you all the best. Thank you.